Hi, I'm Courtney with Nurse Cadillac, and today I'm going to show you how to use the navigation system in your Cadillac vehicle. Today, I'll be using this 2018 Cadillac XT5. However, using the navigation system is similar in the 2018 and 2019 model years. To use the navigation app on your Q system, begin by clicking on the navigation icon. Once in the navigation app, you'll find controls along the bottom, such as your zoom features, your destination control, the menu button, and your audio controls, which includes back, forward, and play. You can slide your finger across the map and you'll see the reset button becomes solid. If you happen to lose your way on the map, simply click on the reset icon and the map will recenter your position. To zoom in or out, you can click on the controls, or you can pinch and spread. Clicking on destination will allow you to type an address or place in the top bar. You can also use the voice command. Below you'll find a list of icons that will allow you to input the information in a broken down manner. This simplifies the navigation process. You can select places of interest and search for places nearby or at another location. You can also click on Menu, which will open up some settings that are specific to the navigation app. Here you'll find settings such as Map View, which will allow you to change how you view the map. You'll also find settings such as Navigation Voice Preferences. This will allow you to turn off the navigation prompts during a phone call, adjust the voice volume, or disable the prompts altogether. To use the voice command feature, you can simply press the button located on your steering wheel, or you can click on the destination option on the menu below, and then click on the voice command option in the type an address or place bar on the top of the screen.
Say a command or say help.
Find place of interest.
Say the name of the place of interest nearby or say change location.
Fuel stations.
When it is safe to do so, look to the radio display to complete your selection. Fuel stations. The route calculation is complete.
And that's all there is to it. If you'd like to see more videos on frequently asked questions, check out our FAQ playlist. Once again, I'm Courtney. Thank you for watching.